Welcome back, my friends. Thinking about giving your home a little bit of a refresh? We've got fall and winter coming up, so you might start thinking about it. Today, we're going to dive into what's in and what's out. All right, in interior home design for 2025. Whether you're staging a home to sell or you just want to love where you live, these trends might inspire you for your next little weekend project update. All right, let's get started. The big one that's making a great big comeback is wallpaper. Yes, it's back. It's just not your grandma's floral print. Today's wallpaper comes with bold geometric patterns, rich textures, and peel and stick options for easy weekend projects. Just perfect for an accent wall, a powder room, or even the back of a built-in shelving. Hey, I am Annette Marble, your favorite key realty agent in and around Central Ohio. All right, next up, color trends. Warm earth tones like clay terracotta, sage green are just stealing the show, but we're also seeing deep jewel tones like navies and emeralds and charcoal. That's making a comeback. Pair these with creamy neutrals for a balance, and you've got yourself a timeless but trendy palette. And for texture lovers, yes, Shiplap, it's still hanging on in certain styles, but it is evolving. We're moving from the full rustic farmhouse look to a softer modern country vibe, mixing natural wood accents with clean lines and neutral palettes. All right, the key trending overall is mixing styles, a little modern touch with a vintage or a hint of rustic. It's about creating a couple layers, collecting a look that feels personal and yet still straight out of a catalog. All right, next up, what's trending? And it's totally making a comeback. Brass is back. All right, if you haven't noticed, I'm not a fan. The warm metal, metallic in lighting, cabinet pulls and mirrors add elegance without feeling dated. Not a fan. Now the debate of open floor plans defined for spaces. For years, the concept has been king, but now more homeowners are embracing cozy separate rooms for private sound control and more intimate feeling. The sweet spot. Light-filled spaces. They still have a sense of separation. Think sliding glass doors or half walls. These are gonna be perfect. So whether you're a wallpaper warrior, a cozy room convert, or a color enthusiast, the best trends is the best one that makes your home feel like you. Which of these are you gonna try? Drop your favorite in the comments, and don't forget, we are always in and around Central Ohio, and we're keeping it real here in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.